Hi, April here from Piano Lessons Info, and let's go over a little bit on how to play Oh Holy Night. So for Oh Holy Night, I'm going to go over how to play this using chords because it gives us a really good learning point, which is to play the chords like this. Okay, so you might recognize that as the sound of Oh Holy Night because that's what the written music does. So I have a chord sheet like this, which doesn't have that on it, but we know the sound of that. And so the first chord is A. So what you do in order to play this kind of chord is you play the 4-note chord, which is S. So for A, it's A, C sharp, E, A. But you play it broken, so we're going basically up and then down again. So the melody is like, and it's hard to play this melody when you're playing those broken chords. It's a lot for the brain. So if you have written music, that might help, but often it's too much. So you kind of have to choose with this one what you want to do, because you could play the chords like this. Just okay, so you could play it like that, or you could play it like this. And this is you. So that's what I would recommend for the verse. Still in the chorus, you could do it like that, but often it works well to kind of change it. So we could change it to solid for a fall on your knees. So if we're going to fall, you could still, or you could do it left hand. Yeah, another option is to do them in your left hand. To me, it works better in the chorus. Or that's the F sharp minor and C sharp minor. So this is actually a really good exercise for your left hand. I'm finding as I'm playing it, I'm like, oh, I don't play that chord like that very often. So I'm playing this in the key of A. Yeah, 3 sharps. And this is in 6/8, which gives you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the one what you can work on here. So I hope that helps. That's just a quick one on how to play Oh Holy Night, so that you can learn a new technique if it's not something that you have been doing with your piano chords. All right, so I hope that helps. This will work well if you have someone singing with you. But Oh Holy Night, either you have to kind of have a really good singer with you or have a really good piece of music written because it's just one of those songs that's really nice, but it can be either or to make it sound really good. Okay, hope that helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye!